Hey, what's going on, guys? Boost the Whips here. Today we're going to be installing the door strikers, which we sell on our website. So this here is the charcoal, which I call on my website. It's kind of like a chrome black, so it gives it that kind of gunmetal or black look depending on how you want to see it. And this is to just basically cover the OEM striker here. As you guys can see, it's like a pale black, so if you want to add a little bit of an accent of more elegancy, you can go ahead and buy these come in silver as well. And it's pretty easy, straightforward. Just clean the area, and does come with the 3M backing, so pre-installed. All you have to do is remove the red ribbon, heat it up if you like, clean the area, and just kind of position it there, just to give you guys kind of how it looks. Right, so once we have it on there positioned, it just changes the overall look of the car, rather than having just that black satin finish on there. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm using alcohol pad to clean the area. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the area here, mainly where the 3M is gonna go, but you can clean the whole area. This should just get rid of any grime, and bonding is much better. You wanna let this dry, of course. And if you have adhesion promoter, definitely helps with that bonding right away and much faster. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean it with alcohol here, let it dry, and then we'll move to the next step. Next thing you wanna do is go ahead and remove the ribbons here. Pay attention to the orientation of the front so that when you place it, you can do it. So I pre-moved it here, but you can just kind of remove the corners. We'll rip that off, rip this off. We check orientation. This is good. Wings facing up. Once you have it over positioned correctly, you can go ahead and push on it and hold for maybe about 30 seconds. And that's how that looks. There you have it, guys. Now it's fully installed. Do the same process for the other 3 doors. Again, this is available at boostthewhips.com under the Genesis G70 category. Available in silver, ready to ship, great quality. If you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Boost the Whips. I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.